Hello people, welcome back to UltFone channel. Switching from Android to iOS is indeed exciting, but restoring WhatsApp from Google Drive to iPhone can be a task hitting the dead end, as it is just not possible to directly transfer WhatsApp messages between cross-platform devices. Now, if you're finding a way for the same but to no avail, worry not, we've got your back. As in today's video we're gonna talk about the methods that can transfer WhatsApp messages from Google Drive to iPhone are 1. Email your chats. 2. Third-party software. 3. UltFone WhatsApp transfer. Method 1. WhatsApp offers an option to email your chats. You can find it in WhatsApp settings, and once you do, you can open email on your iPhone and access your chats there. However, there are some limitations of using this method. Firstly, it doesn't actually restore your WhatsApp messages. You can just access chats on your email. Second, it doesn't allow transferring all chats together. You need to open one chat and export it and repeat the process, and doing this is a bit tiring. Now, if we talk about the second method, well, there are a few third-party programs available that can help you in this case. One among them is Backup Trans. But before you go for this, you should know that this software is very complicated and confusing, especially for newbies. Also, the process is highly time-consuming, and therefore, we won't waste your time sharing those complex steps. Instead, there is a great and powerful alternative to it, which is UltFone WhatsApp Transfer. This tool is the easiest and offers convenience of restoring WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone and vice versa with ease. Its flexibility and fast performance is what makes it outstanding. You just need to follow simple instructions to achieve the task, like, download UltFone WhatsApp Transfer on your PC and launch it. Now, before going any further, you need to first restore Google Drive backup to your Android device. Once done, get back to the software interface and hit on WhatsApp and get your Android and iOS devices connected to the computer. You can check the positions of both the devices and click on the flip button if you want to reverse it. Now, click transfer and confirm it. Follow the on-screen steps to create fresh backup of your WhatsApp data in your source phone, that is Android device. The software will then retrieve backed up data from your source device. Then, you have to verify the WhatsApp account. For this, simply enter the country code and phone number, click verify, then confirm your actions. Next, key in the verification code and UltFone will start to generate the data to be transferred. Once generated, log into your WhatsApp on iPhone and hit logged in button. The software will then restore your entire WhatsApp messages and data in your iPhone. So that was how to get WhatsApp restored from Google Drive to iPhone in the most convenient way. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel to get updated with such topics. Thank you for watching.